Well, pretty much if you've got a Moto Guzzi, you know about me. There's shops that try and then I get them and have to undo all the shit they did wrong. Gushing oil, we do rear main seals, repairs. A lot of these bikes, you know, they're 50 years old. They've been butchered and hacked and neglected, so. In the shop, I can fit 10 bikes where I got 2 cars. Grew up with the old Valiants. I used to race the one car, had 11 or 12 national records. I like slant sixes, British cars. Yeah, come on by with your Guzzi. You'll interrupt me with my new car project. I just like the Guzzi because it's different. Easy to work on, simple, they're cheap. All my friends were on Harleys. I didn't want to be one of them. If you want a Guzzi, I've got like 16 for sale. I'll do whatever you want as long as I like it. I'll talk you out of spending money on stuff. Moto Guzzi Classics, Signal Hill, California. Guaranteed.